Debbie Deb. And Deborah's an amazing recovery coach. She works with women in recovery at Santa Maria Hostel, and she and I have had many occasions to have
Many.
deep conversations. She didn't always like the deep conversations, y'all, you know, but deep calleth unto deep, deep calleth unto deep.
Deep conversations.
Deep
Conversations.
And I mean, this woman is an amazing woman who is really, truly walking in her amazing. Tell them about it.
So, with Danika's help, of course, I have been able to overcome a lot of obstacles and barriers that I was facing internally. I was able to start working on building my self-esteem and being able to, open up and let my voice be heard. She proved to me that I have a lot to say, and what I say is very powerful and meaningful. So that has been a tremendous blessing in my life.
Yay, that's what I do.
Because she's my Danika.
So Deborah, I want you to share with my followers something that I shared with you that truly impacted your life, because you have, in the last 9 months that I've been talking to Deborah, I mean, she has just, woo, y'all, I'm just almost scared to see what she's going to be like in a year. But you have made some amazing, amazing milestones. So tell them one thing that really stood out to you.
So, I'm probably going to cry.
That's okay.
So the biggest thing was helping me understand what it means to walk in my amazing. And through a lot of deep and spiritual conversations, I have been able to do that to a point to where now I have my own home. Now I'm starting college, which I was terrified to do. I was not going to do it. And I was very scared even about the TSI test I had to take for college. And what do you know? I'm college level on everything. I'm going into college level. Haven't been in college for 12 years. And that was all through conversations with Danika. Being able to control my anger better, look at other people's perspectives, be able to push away from the nest and from my mother, and kind of branch out and become who I'm meant to be, and just walk in my amazing every single day to the best of my ability. I've started a new health journey. There's so many things that I'm doing. I'm starting to let go of old relationships and people that were not really going to the same direction that I'm going, and that was huge for me because I don't let go of people. And that was all with Danika's help.
And when I tell you she's walking in her amazing, she's walking in her amazing. She's showing up PowHerFul. Yes.
Every day, powerful, every day.
You cannot show up powerfully if you have stinking thinking and you have unpowerful thoughts. So go to my website, www.danikakaruthers.com/pow-now-workshop and register for my upcoming workshop. I only have 20 spaces available. I'm working with you intimately and powerfully, like I did with Deborah.
Very powerfully. There is no, I wanted to say something else. I will recommend anytime that you can get Danika one-on-one, do it. She works with me. She works with my mom. She works with everybody in my family. Anytime we have situations, I go to her about it, and I go back to my family, and they're just amazed with the solutions that we're coming up with. Anytime that you can work with Danika Carruthers, anytime that you can get her books, anytime that you can watch any kind of podcast that she does, do it, because your life will be transformed. I promise you.
From her mouth to your ears. Now, I'm going to tell you the truth. Working with me one-on-one, you're going to pay some money for that, but there is a way that you can work with me almost one-on-one.
The money is worth it.
Yes.
The money's worth it. I promise. The money's worth it.
It is. I mean, because you're going to leave sessions with me. You're going to leave workshops with me. You're going to leave from conferences with me being completely transformed. But if you want it in a group setting, and if you want it now, come and join me on August the 18th for my upcoming Power of Women workshop. I promise you, you will not leave that workshop the same way that you came in. So go to my website, www.danikakaruthers.com, and you can click on the upcoming events tab, or you can type in danikakaruthers.com/pow-now-workshop and connect with me on August 18th. I only got a couple of spaces available, and I would love to connect with you.